5 seconds to go. Start. Whatever progress we have made, it has been done in the midst of this society because of the society. Therefore, what we have got is not only ours, it also belongs to our society and our country. We give back to the society what belongs to the society, and the society multiplies it and then gives it back to us and our next generations. This is such an energy cycle that gets accelerated with every effort. Today, you are giving further momentum to this energy cycle. Friends, when we make a resolution for society, then society only gives us the strength to accomplish it. At a time when we are celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav of freedom, the country has given the mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas as well as Sabka Prayas. Gujarat has been a land of shared efforts from the past till today. Gandhiji started the Dandi Yatra from here, which is still a symbol and inspiration of the collective efforts of the country in the freedom struggle. Similarly, in the Kheda movement, under the leadership of Sardar Patel, the unity of farmers, youth, and poor forced the British government to capitulate. That inspiration and energy is still standing in front of us in the form of Statue of Unity, a skyscraper statue of Sardar Sahib on the soil of Gujarat. Who can forget that when the idea of Statue of Unity was put forward by Gujarat, how the entire country became a part of this effort. Then farmers had sent iron from every corner of the country. Today, this statue is a symbol of the unity of the entire country, a symbol of united efforts. Brothers and sisters, the country also become a partner in the roadmap of success through cooperation which was presented by Gujarat, and today the country is also getting its benefits. I am happy that Sardar Dham Trust has also set goals for the next 5 and 10 years for itself through collective efforts. Today, the country is also moving ahead with similar goals to fulfill the dreams of 100 years of its independence. Now, a separate cooperative ministry has also been formed in the government. Necessary steps are being taken so that the farmers and youth can get the full benefit of the cooperatives. Continuous efforts are being made to bring forward those sections of the society who have been left behind. Today, on the one hand, several projects are being implemented for the rights of Dalits and backwards, while on the other hand, 10% reservation has been given to the people who are economically backward. It is the result of these policies that there is a new confidence in the society. Friends, there is a saying, one who has knowledge and skill does not have to worry for his livelihood and his progress. A capable person makes his own way for his progress. I am glad that a lot of emphasis is being laid on education and skills by the Sardar Dham Trust. Our new national education policy also focuses on skill enhancing education. The National education policy will prepare the students for the skills needed in future and for the global realities from the very beginning. Today, the Skill India mission is also a big priority of the country. Under this mission, lakhs of youth have got an opportunity to learn different skills and are becoming self reliant. Under the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, youth are getting opportunities for skill development along with studies and they are also earning income. Gujarat itself is also making rapid efforts in this direction through Manav Kalyan Yojana and many other such schemes. I also congratulate the Gujarat government for these efforts. It is the result of efforts of several years that while the school dropout rate has come down to less than 1% in Gujarat, lakhs of youth are making their future through skill development under different schemes. Entrepreneurship is natural among the youth of Gujarat. Today, this talent of the youth of Gujarat is getting a new ecosystem through a campaign like Startup India. I am told that Sardar Dham Trust is also making efforts to connect our youth with global business. The Global Patidar Business Summit will take forward those goals which were once initiated by Gujarat through the vibrant Gujarat Summit. Patidar Society is known for giving a new identity to the business wherever they go. This skill of yours is now being recognized not only in Gujarat and the country but all over the world. But there is another great feature of Patidar society. The interest of India remains paramount for you wherever you live. The contribution you have made in the economic progress of the country is amazing and inspiring too. Friends, even during difficult times, if the work is done with full faith and as a duty, then outcomes are also positive. The corona pandemic derailed the economy of the entire world. It had a great impact on India too. But our economy is recovering at a faster rate than it was stalled due to the pandemic. When major economies became defensive, we were undertaking reforms. When global supply chains were getting disrupted, we started the PLI scheme to turn the tide in India's favor. Recently, it has been decided to extend the PLI scheme to the textile sector. Its huge benefit will accrue to the textile sector of the country and cities like Surat. Friends, India has no dearth of opportunities in the 21st century. We have to see ourselves as a global leader, give our best, and do our best. I am sure that Gujarat, which has contributed to the progress of the country, will make further concerted efforts. Our efforts will not only give new heights to our society but will also take the country to the pinnacle of development. With these best wishes, thank you all very much once again. Stop.